Good day everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna share you how you can easily label and also mark your favorite location that you are pinning in this Google Map. So for example, I'm going to use the map of Spain. And for example, the favorite place that I'm gonna mark is the Cordoba. For example, like this, you can find it into the searching section. And if you find that there is no the pin mark or where's the pin? Well, actually, if you do the zoom out like this, you're gonna see this is the pin area that you have just did before. And if you wanna mark this location as your favorite one, so you can go to this section, the save, and there are several categories that you can try, like the favorite, save place, want to go, travel plans, and also the start place. For example, you're gonna click this favorites. And in case if I just go out from this map of this Spain or Cordoba, I want to know the place that I really favorite. So you can go to this saved and go to this favorite, and you're gonna see there are the several location that you are pinned as or mark this as the favorite place. And you can also see there is the love, which means this is the favorite place that you'd like to go. So don't forget to try it in this Google Map. And I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.